Hello there, folks. Today we're going to go ahead and practice using our line and our tangent arc tool. We're going to make this shape here using just the line tool and the tangent arc tool in a pretty nifty way that will result in things being pretty darn easy. So let's check it out. So we're going to create a new sketch on the front plane. We're going to tap the N key and the P key to hide our plane and view normal. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and move things off to the side a little using my mouse. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the line tool from the tool ribbon, and we're going to click and release on the origin. When we see the the origin pre-select yellow highlight, and then we're going to hit the end point of the line whenever I see the vertical symbol appear. At this point, I can go ahead and add a dimension if I'd like. And now we're going to go into creating the next spot. Now, normally you would come up to the tool ribbon and grab a different tool, but this is a really cool feature of the line tool is that we can just bring the mouse back to the endpoint and we can pick up our tangent arc tool. So the line tool and the tangent arc tool switch automatically when you just bring the mouse back, hover over it, and then return. So try that a couple times. Until you get what you're happy with. I'm going to now draw the other end of my tangent arc. So this horizontally aligned with the top end point of my first line. Click and release. Then come on down. You'll see that the arc tool has converted back to the line tool. I'm going to create the end point of the line horizontally aligned to the origin. And then we're going to have to get our arc tool back. So I'll hover back and tap on the origin. Now it's just a matter of tapping the D key to get my dimension tool back. Click and release on the arc and set the dimension for the arc. And my slot is completely drawn. So that was a quick and easy way to use the line tool and the tangent arc tool without having to go back and forth to the menu a bunch of times. So hope this helps. Good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.